you could just nuke them. Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I built a fighter jet in Animal I'm gonna change into an outfit that fits a fighter jet more. So this is the outfit I think looks more like a fighter jet. So this is the base I'm coming up with. So now that I have the main part, it's like this, and then I have these two flashlights so that it's like better, you know? It's more realistic. But then, once I have this, I'm gonna probably add like the detail, because this is just the base of it. Like, I need to add some detail, or else it's just a box fan, brooms, and a flashlight, you know what I mean? Okay, so this is the finished project. I made like some little changes off screen. As you can see, the RPGs. I'll show you those right now. So, other than that, it flies very well. And if you're going over like something, you can hit people on the ground with that. And then people like mid-air, like if you're fighting somebody mid-air because it's a fighter jet, you could just nuke them.